Welcome to our OrderEm tutorial. Today you'll learn how to integrate your OrderEm account with DoorDash and use Dashers without paying commissions. Go to https://developer.doordash.com/portal/ and choose to sign up for an account. Once you sign up, or if you already have an account, send us an email to ricky@munchem.com so that your account can be associated with Munchem. This will prioritize your request and grant you the $6.99 delivery fee. Log in to OrderEm.com and click Order Settings on the left-hand tree. Enable delivery orders. Go to Delivery Service Settings, enable Third Party, and let customer directly place orders by accepting Delivery Service Estimate options. Select the DoorDash checkbox and save the settings. Now, click on the Third-Party Delivery Settings tab at the top. Follow the prompts to get your production credentials. Enter your DoorDash developer credentials into each respective field. Click Submit. Now head to your DoorDash developer portal and click on the Webhooks tab. Configure a production endpoint to receive updates from DoorDash when the status of a delivery changes. Select the production option and paste the following URL into the appropriate field: https://orderem.com/doordashwebhook.aspx. We strongly suggest placing a live test in order to ensure a successful configuration. After placing orders, you will see OrderEm Android app DoorDash delivery status update as per these screens. 1. DoorDash delivery service successfully delivered. Order status. 2. DoorDash delivery service order cancelled status. If delivery is not confirmed by DoorDash, the order will be cancelled in some time. If this happens, you may contact DoorDash. Hope this video helps. If you still have questions, feel free to get in touch with us and we will guide you.